white people don't look after each other. They rather will see you struggling, they don't want to help. But if you go to a black person, that black person is helping you. So we live together. Like, I've got black people here in front. They're staying, I don't have a problem, and that is also your biggest friends. But you know what? We stand together, and if the other people have problems, we stand with them. If we got problems, they stand with us. I live here for 11 years. It's a hard, tough time. We struggle a lot because we don't get pension, we don't work. We create work for ourselves, like cool drink bottles, tins, we're taking it to the scrap. That is how we make a living.